4 plus 2 equals 7. Hey, what are you doing with my candy? Stop right there.
My candy!
Stop, what are you doing? Oh my god. Get away. Look what you just made. You made 2 perfect triangles. Now look, let me show you with this picture, okay? This line right here is a mid-segment. A mid-segment is a segment that connects the 2 midpoints of a triangle.
This is so boring. Can I just like eat my candy now?
No. Come on, this is fun. I'll show you how math can be done in the everyday world. You wanna join me?
I am the candy man.
Right here, what we have is a centroid.
Where?
Right here. This is what a centroid is, okay?
Yes. What is a centroid?
A centroid is the point of concurrency of the
And if we
medians
arrange
of a triangle.
candy like this, then you will get a perpendicular bisector of a triangle, which is known as a line ray or segment that is perpendicular to a side of a triangle at the mid of a triangle, which is the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side.
I have 2 triangles, as you can see. And there are many ways to prove 2 triangles congruent. But I'm going to show you 2 ways right now. One is side, side, side. So if you look right here, this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to each other using the reflexive property. That is one way that you can prove 2 triangles congruent. Another way would be side, angle, side, and you can use this side, which is congruent to this side, and this angle, which is congruent to this angle, and this side congruent to this side, and that would be side, angle, side congruence. Now that you figured out that the 2 triangles are congruent, you can use CPCTC.
What does it stand for?
Congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So if we take this angle right here, and that we know that these 2 triangles are congruent, we can now know that these 2 angles right here
So these
are
2
congruent.
lines here are parallel lines which they never intersect. And this is cut by a transversal. These 2 are supplementary, which are 180 degrees. And if you do this, you get angle bisector.
Again, we have 2 parallel lines right here. These 2 lines right here, cut by a transversal. Now, there are many angles that are congruent in this picture. As you can see right here, these 2 angles are corresponding angles and are congruent. These 2 right here are alternate exterior angles and also congruent. This angle and this angle, which are alternate interior angles, are congruent too. These 4 angles are considered exterior angles, and these 4 angles are considered interior. You know how important math is now?
Yes, I know math is important now and it can be used in everyday life. Now, can I just eat my candy, Andrew?
Go ahead, do whatever you want to do.